Goodbye, Earth. I will miss you. Goodbye, Moon.
Is everything okay?
Yeah, Mercury. But you know who banished the Earth?
Who?
There, because of what he caused the destruction.
What?
There, he caused so much destruction to Earth. He did something by accident.
Who?
I said the Earth. What the hell's your problem, Mercury? But now we got Thea in our solar system.
Wow. Hell. It's nice to have Thea back.
Yeah, but say hi. Just go. But don't stay out for so long.
What are you talking about?
Your orbit. For 88 days. Spin around me. Awesome. Yeah. Yeah, that's true, yeah. Okay. Just go.
Okay. Hi, Mercury. Oh, hi, Venus. What are you up to now, Mercury? Well, I'm catching up to Thea because he replaced the Earth and banished him for no reason. Well, he did something by accident. The sun said it's a good idea. Oh, hell yeah. Okay, let's go through. But you won't be out your orbit for so long. Here, let's go.
Well, guys, I'm super sorry for interrupting you guys, but we are gonna play GTA 5 before GTA 6. That's cool. Let's play. Back to the video, guys. That was a good game, isn't it, son? Yeah, it was. Bye.
Hi there. What did you come from?
I came from Earth's core, and once I came out, my teleportation device takes long. And because of my shadow, storm, and thunder, it's without the rain. I teleported there in the solar system and kicked Earth and Moon out of the solar system.
Jupiter, Saturn, get over here.
Wait, what's going on?
There is in the Earth's place.
Oh, hi there. Hi. But I have no words to do. I couldn't take it anymore. I want to change your orbits. Yeah. Oh, like what? Like Mars the same. Wait, I mean Mars and Venus swapping together to make them reversed. Venus take Mars' place, and Mars takes Venus' place, and Neptune takes your place. Uranus takes Saturn's place. Saturn takes Uranus' place, and you take Neptune's place. Oh, wow. So, you're gonna change everyone's orbit? Yes, I will. For sure, pal. Okay. Okay, Sun, let's go.
Neptune, let's look for our moons.
Yeah, we are.
Wait, I know the plan. You wait there, I'll look for my moon first. Okay?
Okay.
Oh, I found her. So, what are you guys? Hey, I'm Miranda. I'm Uranus' smallest moon. And my radius is 235 kilometers. And my orbit takes 1.5 days to spin around Uranus. And my orbit speed is 6.66 kilometers per second. Hi, I'm Ariel. I'm Uranus' second smallest moon. And the radius is 578.9 kilometers. And almost 579 kilometers. And I take 2.52 days to orbit Uranus. And my orbit speed is 5.51 kilometers per second.
I am Unreal. I am the fifth smallest and biggest moon of Uranus. And the radius is 584.7 kilometers. And I take 4.144 Earth days to spin around Uranus. I am Oberon. I am the second biggest moon of Uranus, and I know what my radius is. 761.4 kilometers. Next. What the hell does Oberon sound so boring? Okay. I'm Titania. I'm the biggest moon of Uranus, and my radius is 788.4 kilometers. And that's it.
Okay, so be it. It's nice to see you all guys around here.
Hey, my beautiful moons! Who are you all?
Hippo Camp, the smallest moon of Neptune. Naiad, Neptune's second smallest moon. Despina, Neptune's third smallest moon. Galaxy, Neptune's fourth smallest moon. Nereid, Neptune's third biggest moon.
Rodius, Neptune's second biggest moon. I'm Triton. I'm the biggest moon of Neptune. I guess that is it.
Well, I wish I had a moon. Hi.
This is the first time meeting you there. Hi, Planet 9. Nice to meet you. I need some more moons.
Hi, we're Calico, Elara, and Thebe.
I wouldn't be so sure.
Are you okay, Moon? Yeah, but we don't sound okay.
Not quite sure about that, but we got kicked because of fear.
Yeah, we kicked out. We got kicked out of the solar system because of fear. That's what I mean.
Okay, let's not make fun of each other.
Okay. Well, goodbye, solar system. I'm gonna go to a different solar system with you, Earth. Hell yeah, let's go.